YouTube, it's me Dee, and today I am back with another video and we're making a Cornish hen. Isn't she cute? I said that as if you guys didn't read the title, but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and spatchcock the chicken. That is just a fancy term for cutting the backbone out the chicken. It's pretty simple, nothing crazy. All you have to do is just literally cut the back out. If you don't have scissors, which I prefer, you can use a knife. You're just feeling around basically to get a straight cut to make it a little easier. You're gonna see when I'm cutting the next chicken, I'm gonna meet resistance, but you literally just move over a little, just feel around. You can move a little closer or a little further away from the chicken. This is supposed to help with an even and faster cook. Me personally, I didn't really pay attention to whether or not I felt like it cooked faster. I didn't see a big difference, but I'll definitely be sure to pay attention next time or make this again or another chicken and see like a bigger chicken I should say rather, and let you guys know if there's a difference. You're gonna see now as I cut this side, I'm literally feeling around to see. So as you can see, I'm meeting resistance here, so I just move over exactly to cut through. Once you get past this part, it's, not a big deal, and obviously you don't have to do this part if you don't want to. My chicken is clean. I washed it. If you don't wash your chicken, that's fine. Whatever works for you in your household. Do whatever makes you happy. Usually I season my meat in a bowl, but just for content purposes, I'm gonna put it here. Go ahead and put on some oil, rub her down front and back. Is gonna help the seasonings stick to the chicken. So rub, get everything on there, and it's gonna help with the skin, like the texture of the skin. I'm gonna be using like 3 different all-purpose seasonings, so that's why I'm only putting a little bit. Garlic powder and onion powder are cousins, and they go on everything. They are the family members. This is Maggie seasoning. Love it. This was a hot mess, child. Look. Anyway, I didn't get it on video, but I also did put a little bit of basil on there. It's so good, it helps. So I just rubbed everything in, and then I went ahead and seasoned the back, but I was still cussing at this point, so yeah. Make sure you put some gold in her shirt, tuck it in her shirt. Then you're just gonna put some butter all over. You're gonna pop it in your air fryer, take it out, and just baste it as much as you can. I made a gravy later on from the gravy that was in there. Excuse my faux paper, y'all. It's a little ghetto over here. I took it back out, and this is where I was. At this point, I'm at 40 minutes. Just keep basting, and then you put it back in, and you can take it out in another 20 minutes. So in total, I cooked for like about an hour. I made the chicken in about an hour. And here you go. A meal, Cornish hen. Please subscribe.